What's going on, guys? Welcome back to AFL TV. I really didn't expect this to happen. I really didn't expect this to happen. But we got all the pieces in on time, so we have a city update video, and it starts right now. All right, guys, we have a lot of updates to talk about today, but we felt that it wouldn't be proper to do an update video today showing the final build for the year without first looking back. So I hope you guys enjoyed the opening video showing you guys how the city has progressed so far this year. But now let's dive into some of the updates. So starting with some of the new buildings, we have two new towers to talk about. First is Loft 77, which has actually been out for a while now on our website as a instructions download. You can find that on www.aflstore.com. But we also added a new tower recently, which was first intended to be an office tower, but we ended up making it a hotel on the front part of the city facing the beach. This is not going to be its final resting place. We are actually going to move it to the back of the city in the future. But for now, this is the new hotel. It is branded the JW Marriott. It's right next to the Hilton. And we also have instructions for this one on our website as well, in case you wanted to add this to your city. There's no internal structure. Honestly, building out skyscrapers is a huge cost burden, so we don't typically build them out with interior furniture and everything else, just because it makes the cost of building these things skyrocket. And for the most part, you never really see the interior anyway. So this is the new tower. As you can see, it's pretty tall, but again, it's going to shift towards the back. So let's talk about some of the other updates. Well, as you guys know, in the last update video, we did a monorail build, and we are still working on expanding this. We've since added some new sections, and down at the north end of the city, we actually incorporated a traffic light into the monorail because it got a little bit busy with all of the different traffic signals down there, so we figured mounting it to the actual monorail itself would be a pretty cool way to do it, and honestly, it adds even more stability to the traffic signal, so we really like how that came out. Additionally, we have a brand new pier to talk about, and this is really exciting because you may have noticed from our last update video that we were planning the amusement park down at the end. It was going to be called the Brickle Park Fun Zone. And while we did like that positioning, we actually think it makes a lot more sense over here next to the actual park. And it allowed us to build out the pier to be even bigger, allowing for more attractions in the future, as well as, you know, different food stands, etc. We added some docks where boats can pull up and enjoy the day. And then in the back, we're planning to hopefully add some more rides or further build out the amusement park. We'll see how that goes in the future. Right now, it's just set up as a fire scene, including our 2 new fire trucks. We did a full fire truck overview video, which if you haven't seen that yet, I'll link it up above. But right now, this is kind of set up as a fire scene. Moving over to the left of the city, or the south end, you will see we have actually added our airport. This was our latest video, which was published last week, showing you guys our modular airport. And if you haven't seen that yet, I'll also link that one up above. It's a really cool build. Definitely encourage you to go check it out. But a lot of you guys asked if we could incorporate it into the city. And so for now, we're gonna put it down at this end. And basically the idea being that, you know, this would be the end of an airport. Again, cut off because this is the only part that's in view. But it's the only way that we were able to incorporate it with such a small Lego room. And so for now, I think it turned out really good. We do have to finish the tarmac area that we're still waiting on some tiles to come in from Bricklink. But, you can kind of see the layout overall as well as the fence around it. We did our curved road around it as well, which is a free tutorial on our channel if you want to check that one out. But basically, this is going to be the anchor for the new area of the city. We'll probably shift it around in the future, but for now, this is where it's going to go. Additionally, we worked on some of the new roads in this new area. And we also got a lot further along on the dual bridge. And we also moved the highway signage, which is going to be new airport signage pointing to the airport. So I think this makes a lot more sense, and really liking how the bridge came out, put a sidewalk on the back for the minifigs to get across. And overall, I think it just turned out really good. That brings me to what are we going to do with what used to be the Brickell Park Fun Zone and the Ferris wheel. Well, this right now is still labeled with the old stickers for what it was going to be, but we're planning to make this a seaport for seaplanes because I think that makes a lot of sense to put it right here next to the airport. And the whole thing will be tied together hopefully with a traditional seaport that actually feeds into the airport, and it's just a further extension of the airport offerings. So, moving on to the beach area. This has been an area under development pretty much all year, and we have finally tiled the whole thing. There's still parts underneath the bridge that need to be finalized, but I can't tell you how happy I am to finally have this finished. It took way more time, way more money, and way more pieces than I ever could have imagined, but I do really like how the water came out. It doesn't even do justice on the camera because it actually looks a lot better in person. But honestly, I think it looks really good, and I'm really happy we ended up doing this method for building the beach. Again, it is an expensive method. If you want to see how to do it, we did do a free tutorial, which is on our channel. But again, it is costly, so keep that in mind. And if I were you and I could redo this, I would make our beach probably smaller. Some final updates to talk about. So you guys probably noticed the odd colors in the back. We had to shift everything backwards to make room for the monorail. This is not going to stay this way. These are simply just plates that were put down where the sidewalk will be built on top. Again, this is a work in progress. We're still waiting on tiles to be delivered from Bricklink. But hopefully by the next update video, you guys will see this one fully tiled out and ready to go. And lastly, we have some cool shops and other buildings planned down for the south end where all these new roads are going in. So hopefully by the next update video, we'll have something there. And then we also have some gaps where future skyscrapers need to be built, and we're trying to plan that out and kind of, design those to get ready. But we haven't landed on a design yet that we're really excited about. So I don't know when those are gonna be built, but hopefully we'll have at least some direction by the next update video. And again, the JW Marriott will probably swing around to the left, which is where it was initially intended to be put until, we have a new building for where it is now. But it'll also probably be rebranded as an office building. All right, guys, well, I hope you enjoyed today's city update video. This is actually gonna be our last video of the year. So we wanted to go ahead and thank everybody for tuning in, not only today, but all of this year and last year. Your views, likes, shares, contributions, and people who actually download and purchase our instructions really help the channel grow. And the sales of instructions literally pay for this channel and what you guys see. So if you want to help us grow and grow faster, best way to do it is to help us out by buying some of our instructions, which can be downloaded on www.aflstore.com. But again, this is the last video of the year. And again, thank you so much for tuning in, not only to this video, but all the others. It's been a fantastic year. We've really come a long way, not only setting up a brand new studio and launching our whole new city build, but we have a lot of plans for next year as well. So if you're not already, please do consider subscribing because you're going to want to, stick around for all of the future updates and everything that we have planned. And if you don't, check us out on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook because we do post updates there that are not always shared on YouTube. So make sure that you check us out there as well. And lastly, given COVID and everything else that's going on, I hope you have a fantastic holiday season with your families. Safe travels if you happen to be traveling. Have a great rest of the year. We will see you in early 2022 with some awesome new builds and new city updates, and can't wait to share with you everything that we have planned. So until next time, safe travels, happy holidays, and we will see you next year.